We are all very excited to see what Huntsman will be presenting at the K in October. What did you bring here to the preview, and what will you be presenting?
Basically, the world of plastics is full of potential innovations. What we're going to present this year is a selection of work which we have been carrying out thus far, especially around film and sheets, around cable and wire, with a new halogen-free flame retardant product, around the hot cast elastomer with a new machine and a new PU system, very high resilient, and as well a range of food contact materials. So this is to show you the breadth of the innovation, but the key innovation will be additive manufacturing. Huntsman will launch at K the first urethane-based 3D printing material brand and platform. So this is something which we have been working on over the last 3 years to be really ready for K.
Tell me about new materials that are being used in the industry nowadays. How much has changed in the last 3 years?
I think a lot has been happening in that industry. The industry is really moving from prototyping to mass manufacturing, and that means that in terms of material, we need to move from I would say rigid, hard material to something which is functional, much more flexible. So you see a lot of efforts going into new materials which are much more flexible, easier and faster to print, and more consistent. And that is what Aeroprint will bring, our new brand for additive manufacturing, really focusing on these key aspects of fast printing, consistency, and flexible and high-performance materials.
One other topic that is being discussed, obviously not only this year, is Industry 4.0. It all fits together. How else are you adapting to the problems and the possibilities of Industry 4.0?
I think Industry 4.0 is a very vast topic. And I think coming back again, and sorry about that, additive manufacturing, I think it fits extremely well with Industry 4.0, because that's one element which will help enable Industry 4.0, because it's a lot about 3D printers, which are all connected via the cloud, ensuring that the materials are delivered when the printer do not have resin anymore, and that we have the right design suited for a specific part. So I think that additive manufacturing will in the future play a more and more important role in this Industry 4.0.
And also a very important role plays sustainability nowadays. How does your company deal with sustainability, and what are you doing for sustainability?
Again, sustainability, big topic for the chemical industry in general, and for us. And sorry about that, additive manufacturing, I think I really love it. I think it's an important topic. One of the reasons why we have been looking at that is that when it comes to additive manufacturing or 3D printing, basically you have less waste, because you just need the material you need to print your object. You have less overproduction. The materials, if they are thermoplastic, are recyclable. You don't need molds anymore to make an object, like for injection molding. So you save a lot of material and energy to make those molds. And one of the objectives as well is in the future to bring some of the production back from Asia to Europe and the US. So you would save a lot of freight. So basically additive manufacturing, if you look at sustainability, will help in that regard.